In this video, I'm going to show you how to create split screen in CapCut. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Now to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open CapCut on your device. Now in here, go ahead and click on the new project button to create a new project on CapCut. In here, go ahead and click on the two videos that you want to add to create a split screen to on CapCut. And click on the add button at the bottom right of your screen to be able to add these videos to your canvas. Now in here, just go ahead and click on the first video. Now under the tool section, click on overlay. So under the tool section, you'll be able to find the overlay tool. Now click on that tool to be able to put the second video under the first video. In here, just go ahead, click on the second video all over again. After you click on that second video, make sure that your first video and second video are of the same length and of the same height and width. Now after that, just go ahead and click on the second video. In here, just go ahead and scroll down on the tools section. On the tools section, look for the mask tool. So click on mask. And here you can simply use and select from any of the masks available on CapCut. So you can resize the mask and you can also adjust it furthermore to blend with your video depending on your preference. If you want it to blend, on this arrow down button to be able to make the video blend with the other video. So drag that arrow down to be able to blend it easily and seamlessly. That is how you can simply create a split screen on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.